Bhutan vlog, day 4. We are now at Phobjikha Valley and we are going to the Gangtey Monastery. The current temperature most probably is at 1 maybe degrees Celsius, but feels like negative. Current sea level is at 3,400, which is the highest at this Phobjikha Valley. Let me show you guys how cold it is. Kinga, can you tell us what does this mean?
That's the mantra of God of Compassion. So we say Om Mani Padme Hum.
This is the second Buddha mantra, right?
Yes, that's exactly the second Buddha mantra. So we pray like Om Ahung Baza Guru Petma Sede Hum.
There you can see the black color animals. That is called the yak, the hairy cow. Just arrived at Gangtey Monastery. At the entrance, there's this spot called Vajrapani. Look at this. This is a juniper leaf. Bhutanese believe that every morning they will burn the leaf over here. They believe that the smell of the leaf will bring up the spirit from the hell to the heaven. These craftsmen, they are doing the painting over there. We are going to do the Gangtey-Phobji nature trail. This is the map of the trail. From here, we are going to walk through the pine forest and some rural village, and then all the way to here. So the distance is 4.1 km and the duration is going to take about 1.5 hours with the altitude of 2,900 meters. This is the kind of trip that I have imagined, walking through the pine forest. Surrounding are all the pine trees growing at a very high altitude. Found so beautiful spot that you can see the pine trees at both sides and all the way to the village and the rice field. To me, I think today is the most beautiful spots that I've seen so far. We are back to the nature. The stack of these stones are actually the mark, like a landmark. The weather is okay. Look at that. Nice. Wow. Oh! We are finishing our trail walking. Seriously, if you come to Bhutan, this is the place that you must visit. So breathtaking.